Hello, I'm back, and tonight I'm gonna show you how I cook my potato puree, okay? My husband is a Belgian, so he loves to eat potatoes. White people, they love to eat potatoes, okay? And I will show you how I cooked my potato puree or smashed potatoes. Okay, I'm gonna peel off the skin of the potato. Okay. I will peel off the skins of the rest of the potatoes and I will come back. I've already peeled off the skin. What I will do, I will just slice it. I will wash it, okay? And boil it with water, okay? There, I've already washed and put some water. And I'm gonna boil it. I will cover it and not turn on the fire, and I will come back when it's tender, okay? I will open it, and there you are. The potato is very tender, so we're gonna smash it. I'll just remove the water. Okay, we're gonna puree the potato, okay? The potato is there. So, you can use either this, okay, to puree the potato, or this kind, okay? They use this kind in the restaurant, but this is for home use, okay? In the restaurant, they use, it's like made of metal or aluminum, okay? So what we're gonna do, I will transfer all the potato here, okay? Okay. And that's how to puree. See? Oh, yeah. There you are. I will show you. So that is how it looks like. Okay. So I'll just continue pureeing it. So I'm gonna add some nutmeg, okay? And then pepper, powdered pepper. Then we're gonna add some butter, okay? You can use salted butter or without salt, okay? There you are. I'm gonna add some salt, okay? I'm gonna add usually they add milk, but I don't like the taste of the milk. But if you prefer milk, it's up to you. But I love to use cream, okay? If you want to use cream, it will produce another taste, and it's very yummy, okay? perfect. I'm gonna add a little more. So it will become creamy. Okay? And I will show you how I serve this. Okay? Once you prepared the potato puree, don't put it back on the fire. Season it that before you make this, season it. The potatoes are still hot. Because if the potatoes are cold and you put it back on the fire, the taste will be ruined. Okay? The taste will be different and it's not tasty anymore. So, I will show you how I prepare it. I'm gonna show you how I make a Parmesan creamy sauce for my cooked cauliflowers. Okay, I'm gonna add some butter. And wait till it's melted. We're gonna add some flour, okay? You have to see to it that all the flour is melted and cooked, okay? So there's no more flavor of flour, okay? Now we're gonna add some milk. Now, the milk is boiling and it looks very creamy. I will add Parmesan cheese, okay? Then, then we're gonna melt the Parmesan cheese, okay? Okay, then I'm gonna season it with salt and pepper. I have here already a combination or a mixture of salt and pepper, okay? So I'll just you see, it's a salt and pepper. So I'll turn off the fire. And okay, here is my cooked cauliflower. What we're gonna do, we're gonna pour it, okay? And what we're gonna do next, this is very easy. We're gonna add some cheese on top, okay? And now we're gonna set it in the oven till it's nice brown, the cheese, okay? The cheese should be nice brown. The cheese you will use is, you can use cheddar cheese, cheese that can be used for cooking, okay? Okay, now there is. Voila. And we're gonna set it in the oven till it's nice brown, okay?
Dan moesten we gewoon een verklaring houden. Dus er stond er echt iemand met de vingerkleur. Omdat gewoon dat mensen zijn, dat het gewoon een keer net beter dan wat het vandaag is. Vooraf steek misschien in detail vragen, ook omdat onze vrouwen die
Turn up, and then I will show you, okay? I have to turn up. That it looks like. I hope you like my video. That's how it looks like. Nice brown. My husband loves to eat steak sometimes, but not always. When you are married to foreigners, especially white people, European American, you have to try to cook something for them to like it, okay, and to please them, okay. Even I am from the Philippines, I always cook the Belgian food, okay? So I want my husband always happy, okay? So here are the steaks, okay? I use this ice cream scoop, okay? And there you are. I hope you like my video. Who loves potato puree? Okay. Now I'm gonna serve it with my oven baked cauliflower with the Parmesan creamy sauce. Okay. And here is my cauliflower I baked in the oven with Parmesan creamy sauce. This is very hot, so this is very nice to serve, especially with the roasted pork or beef or chicken or fish, okay? And I'll just place it here, okay? So thanks for watching. I hope you like my video. And this is my potato puree with roast beef and cauliflower in Parmesan creamy sauce. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.